So, really excited. I kind of dug into this box here a little bit already. These guys haven't seen in there. I couldn't help myself. It says the VIPER on there. So maybe I'll let Bob get in that. Get in that box, Bob. What's in the box? What we got? Ryan, get up here and look at what's in my box.
What is this right here?
I spent good money on this. I need your excitement too. This is like Christmas, but for Ray.
I don't want to know about that.
Open it on up, dude. Open it on up.
Got some pink stuff.
Pink stuff.
VIP, VIPER, possibly.
Oh, I'm just a very important person. That's me.
That looks nice. Got a nice Pro-Tech anti-corrosion wrap there.
Yo, Ryan, grab me a knife, homie. Oh no, that's right. Bob's always hacking. Ooh, where'd you get that knife?
Wife gave it to me.
Oh, your wife, huh? What a nice lady.
When she wants to be.
Oh yeah, we'll put that in the video for sure. Man, try that shoebox. Shoebox is great.
Makes for a good video when there's. Oh damn, dude, that looks freaking sweet. Actually, holy crap!
Holy
I'm glad I cut that off of there. Ryan, don't let me stab you.
Holy
shit! Edit that out of there.
It looks a little bit better than the factory clutch.
Come on, baby. What'd you get you?
Like these guys.
Well, we can take a video of the big rusty pile of crap up in the car. Don't be. I don't know if
now we fingered up the damn. Now we're gonna have to clean that off.
The brake clean it. Well, you gotta touch it. I'm gonna touch it too. Okay. Now we all
put the wrap back.
We all fingered it. What does it say right here?
Fight man. 5660. I don't know what that means.
I don't know either. It's kind of cool though. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? Texas. Oh, geez, Bob's just getting disastrous. Bob's getting disastrous over here.
How much cardboard I have?
Let's just take a minute. Let's just take a minute to admire this case. Do I have to send this case back?
You better not, dude. This is cool.
Because I mean, it's how the hell? I mean, they must reuse these or something. Because look at the cam lock action. Look at the cam lock action. This is just quality stuff here. Jeez Louise, man.
I don't think they.
And look at this spring-loaded freaking handle. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Disclaimer. You know, I think you did get a.
This is
you did get a parts room discount on this, so. They probably didn't give us a brand new box.
Well, we'll get into that in a second here, but open up the box, see what we got in here. So, from what I was told was this pressure plate, I think was off of another setup that they used once before. And that's why, you know, we're getting a little bit of a helping hand on this stuff. You know, we made a friend out there at in Indy at PRI.
It is pretty though.
Oh, yeah, and that's something.
Is it right here?
And this is the.
I don't know how much of it.
This is
Can you do one more of those for me?
This is the. This is the twin disc.
Twin disc?
Yep, twin disc Mantic clutch setup. Yee, buddy. Dang, that is nice.
See if I can't touch everything I probably shouldn't be touching. Clean it up all real good. Boy, that's nice stuff.
Oh, well,
really excited.
We're able to touch it.
So,
I clean up all the surfaces up.
Mantic clutch USA, and it's got stickers. You know, and that's what I'm all about. I'm all about a good sticker. Got some black stickers, some white stickers.
What kinds of instructions?
Pardon me. What's in the other box?
I'm gonna look. I'm keep looking, dude. You gotta in.
I'm like a squirrel. Squirrel.
What are these? Ah! They stay in the box. You can't take them off.
I think that is part of like you gotta stack this thing up, dude.
Yeah, you gotta stack it.
Yeah, so those are gonna go
That's what goes right
up
here.
in there.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
And it's gonna kind of align your clutch packs and all that.
Basket, dude.
Yep.
Super cool. Big
It
fan.
is
Comes with
pretty
the new slave. Very
neat. That's going in that car right there, by the way.
Shoot
Gen
all
4.
that shit, I'm telling you.
Gen 4. Well, yeah, you have to have the new setup because this is gonna be different than the old setup.
And what happens?
Yeah, the clutch, the slave is always bad. Every time you pull the Viper, the tranny out, you might as well just put a new slave in it.
Wow.
So-
What comes with a 20-year-old car? Yes, not as
Our good dude. I said, hey man, you know, I really like a banner in the shop, you know, because we got a few up there. So I was like, hey, hook a brother up. The Mantic Clutch USA banner. Yeah, buddy.
Put one in the trailer. I'm guessing that's what the other one is too.
Well, let's see what we got. He said He said, which one do you want? And I said, well, I don't know. And he said, well, I'll send you both.
Okay.
So this was,
I like that.
I'm guessing about, you know, I got a pretty good hint on what this is going to be.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Same thing with black.
Well, that's gonna look good.
Heck yeah. So I don't know which one we want to put in the shop. Right next to all the other goodies. Really excited. This should be quite a bit lighter than the factory setup. It should take more than enough abuse because my car isn't. I mean, I think this thing should take. I don't want to say how much this thing's rated for, but it's quite a lot more than my car will ever make. I'm not looking at.
Not a Power Rider car.
Yep, it's just a track car. You know, we're trying to do lap time, SCCA time trial kind of stuff with that car there. And, you know, really excited about our little partnership we got going here. You know, we got him on board for another project in the works from this goober right here. So, you know, do it for the gram, bro. Yeah, we gotta stage stuff up. Dang. But anyway, so I think that should be it. Let's say bye to Texas. You buddy.